Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Samsung phone guys mono audio setting guys, how can we use it? Friends, you want to use guys your Samsung phone guys phone mono audio, so how can you on and how can you use it? Friends, I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when first of all you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys we will on guys our phone setting guys Samsung mobile, and guys search here guys mono audio. So I search here guys phone mono audio setting. So once you can see guys your phone mono audio setting we will tap here, and friends you can see after mono audio left right sound balance. You can see the right side you want to increase, left side. So guys you can increase and decrease by this connected audio balance, sound balance guys you can adjust from here. So like that guys you can on and you can use it, and once you want to off, so guys you can off from here your mono audio setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off mono audio in Samsung phone. So bye guys.